There are several ways you can make money from online, and especially as a student. So in this era, technology has opened a lot of doors with a lot of opportunity to make money. So there is no hard and fast commitments to work online to making money fast. So this is a perfect time to work on online as a student. So let's find out what these income streams. So number one is freelancing writing. If you are a student, you maybe reading and writing, so you can write copywriting or all sort of thing for company. Like where you usually find those type of job, you can create your one social media, or you can post your gig on Fiverr, Upwork, any freelancing marketplace. But I recommend you create your one social media or post on group like Discord server or any type of group. So number one is freelancing writing is the opportunity of you to making money as a student as well studying. So number two is data entry. Data entry, you can collect data for company, and company will pay you for that. So like is if company need like 100 most influencer people in the history, like, so you need to collect these data, that's data from online, anywhere, not online just. So that's should be that should be accurate. So you can collect those data, 100 influential people in the world, who were those people, and give all of a list to your client. This is the data entry. You can do that to make money. So number three is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant right now, if I give you example about physical. So let's say you are a like boss of a company. Like if you are like, let's say you have a company, so you are boss of that, you are owner of that company. So you need virtual assistant to manage all sort of thing, like when you one day, let's say one day you busy, so busy, and at that time all sort of thing will manage virtual assistant, like assistant. So what is the virtual assistant? Virtual assistant is the online assistant. Like if you have like, every company has social media, blog post, all sort of thing. So if you are like company owner, you need to have a social media in this era. So and you have an employee as well. So what should virtual assistant do? So virtual assistant usually manage all sort of thing instead of you. So like he is your assistant, he is like vice versa, he do work for you. So number four is translation job. Like if you are in your country, like your country, maybe if your country is like third world country or second world country, maybe your country has NGO. So those people are abroad country people, foreign country people. Let's say they are talking English and your language is Chinese. So you have an opportunity, like you can translate English, like you somewhat, like you somewhat know English, and you translate like other people's, those are don't speak English in your country, and they want to talk with NGO peoples. So you are just middle person to translation their word. So like it's usually measured with word count. Like if you translate uh, 30 word, you will pay $3. So somewhat like that, you can do that. So number four is translation job, you can do that. Number five, if you want to be your one boss, you can write your blog, blog post, youtubing, social media influencer, you can do that as well. So like blogging, it's the you need to create a website to publishing your writing. So it's the pretty way you can make money. You can make money here with affiliate way, AdSense way, Google AdSense way, all sort of way you can make money from your blogging. Every people, like when you face any problem, like you don't know any specific question, you go Google to search what is the who is the richest man in the history. You can see that Elon Musk, all sort of thing. Why, who is people post this, like who is people which people provide this information. You know, it's a blog owner, blogging owner, website owner. So you can do that as well. So number six is I don't know. Number six is online survey. There is a lot of, it's so easy. There is a lot of Google form you can see, especially cryptocurrency when they launch testnet airdrop. You can fill up just uh, from, and you can as well make money from them. You can just provide BHC address or Binance address, Binance like USDT TRC address, and they will pay you after the event. So as well do that online service. There is a lot of like system you can as well do that. So number seven is web testing as well. It's happening with cryptocurrency like testnet. When any website launch would be launched, before launching they test their website through a lot of audience, their social media, and if you participate there you can pay a lot of, like they have token. Especially I'm talking about cryptocurrency, but out of cryptocurrency it's happening, but cryptocurrency is the most popular. I see a people, there is a couple of people in my village, around people village, they earn over 2000 $10,000 to doing testnet, doing test other companies website. Just individual, not a good person, well-known person. He just participate there and earn over $10,000. You can do that as well. So number eight is virtual teaching. If you are master about a specific topic, like you are master with Python, graphic design, uh, digital marketing, you can teach people to becoming master your your customer client. Like you need to sell your like as well you can create course and hosting their Udemy, or if you have a uh, already funnel, your one funnel, you can post your product on your funnel, like your course. You can post you can post your course on your funnel as well. You do Udemy, Skillshare, all sort of thing. So virtual teaching, and you can as well live teaching. You can do live teaching, like if you are special in math, you can uh, just post on your social media. In this time I will would be live in Zoom call. Everyone come here and I will teach all people totally free math. You can as well do that. And number nine is drop shopping. So if you have your one product, it's good, you can sell that on your funnel. And if you have not any like your product, you can sell retailer wholesaler product like B2B. You can buy product from B2B business and you can sell that B2C, business to consumer. Like it's FBA, drop shopping I'm talking about. So like you will buy, let's say you will buy $1 hair oil, you can sell that $2. So if you sell that $100, you will get $100. So it's the opportunity of you. You can do that as well. Your one country's web e-commerce website, popular website. Like Amazon is the world largest e-commerce website. uh, Alibaba also a thing. So number 10 is graphic design. You, if you are like expert with creative, you do graphic, your art is very smart. Every company need banner, graphic, logo. You can do that as well. So where you usually find those type of job, it's available on Fiverr and as well Upwork. You can do that. Even you can create your one website and post your work there, and you can spend your ad, or you can post on social media your work. Everyone like art, everyone like creative, so do that. So number 11 is web designing. So every company need website, so you can as well do that. If you are creative about that, design mean creative, you need to be creative, you have experience about that. So web designing as well give you a lot of money. So because of every big company has website. Amazon, if you search on Amazon, Google, if you search on Google writing on Amazon. Amazon has website. If you search on Alibaba, you get Alibaba website. If you search on uh, eBay has a website. You can do you know that those website design web designer, and they did that remotely. Like you want to do that as well, you can as well do that. So final thought is, money never coming on immediately. It takes some time, and you need to be patient, consistency with your work. So keep in mind, a bank would be, you need to fulfill your bank. You need to be millionaire. You need to receive a lot of money in your bank. So it's not happened immediately, it's not happened overnight. So keep in mind, money is takes some time. So see you later in the next video.